Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can clear your recently played on your Spotify app. Yes, but before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel and yeah, let's get started. So you will just tap on your Spotify app first. Once your app is open, then you will see this little clock icon between this bell and this gear setting icon. You can just tap on that icon and these are the recently played list. So if you tap on this three dot on the right side of each of the song that you played, tap on it, then you can see there is no option called remove from my recently played list. So what you will do is go back to your home screen, tap on this setting icon, and then you will just go to this section called social. So I will just enable this private session, and here you can hide your listening activity from your followers, but still you cannot delete your recently played list on your phone. So you have to go to your PC. So I'll show you another option that you will have to go to your PC, and then you will have to open the Spotify. Then you will just go to the section called library as it shows here, and then you will have recently played option. Tap on that option, then you will see all the recently played whatever you had on your phone. You will see the same because you'll be opening the same account on your PC. And once you see those songs, then you will see this three, then you will see this, yes, once you select that recently played, then you will see this three dot on your recently played songs, and then you can just tap on that, and then you will have this list of options popped up where you will finally find the option called remove from recently played. So yeah, so if you do that and repeat that step for every songs, and yeah, that's how you can completely delete your recently playlist on your Spotify app. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.